Hey DensureFit family, Natalie here. Today I want to introduce you to something that's been an absolute essential in my daily routine. DentureClean. This little box right here is a game changer. DentureClean isn't just any denture cleaner. It's a powerful disinfectant that gives your dentures a deep clean, leaving them fresh, ready for the day ahead. All you need is one packet of DentureClean and a glass of water, and it works its magic, removing stains, odor, and bacteria in just a few minutes. Plus, it's gentle on your dentures, so you don't have to worry about any damage. As you can see, my dentures are in. I'm using my old set to show you how to use this. And the best part, it is really clean. DentureClean doesn't leave any weird aftertaste. Just a fresh, clean feel that makes wearing your dentures all day long a breeze. So if you're tired of denture cleaners that just don't cut it, give DentureClean a try. It's the ultimate way to keep your dentures sparkling clean and disinfected every day. Trust me, your smile deserves the best, and DentureClean delivers. Grab yours at DensureFit.com today. And as always, smile like no one's watching. Bye!